I was going for Lil Nas. I look like Lil Nah.
I'm a widow.
Nas was like my internet alias, and then when I started doing music, I was like, I want to have fun with this.
Lil Nas X is an American rapper who happens to be a part of the LGBTQ community. He had red hair, and I wanted to recreate that without bleaching my hair, because when you have jet black hair, in order to achieve that color, you do have to lift the hair. So you have to bleach the hair, and I wanted to omit that because in some cases, bleach can be damaging to natural hair. After doing some research, I found that hair paint wax is actually a really great alternative, so I wanted to go ahead and give it a try. Keep in mind, this was my first time trying this product out. Feel free to check my description box for the link to this product, and yeah, let's get right into it. Professional, having colored hair doesn't make you unprofessional.
Having colored hair doesn't make you unprofessional.
Quick disclaimer before we get started, I did start the front of my hair. This is where we're at so far, and I decided to record because if I couldn't get the hairline right or whatever, I wasn't gonna do this at all.
Yup.
So I pretty much just dipped this little eyebrow brush with the comb on the side. Kind of took the comb and just went like that, and then just like combed it down and out so that it could blend with the fade. That way it just looks like, oh, I bleached my hair, but it's growing out a little bit.
That is funny.
Same thing on this side. Fine tune the roots probably with like a makeup brush or something. So it does say for best results, do it on damp hair. I'm gonna wet my hair just a little bit. There is already leave-in and a little bit of hair gel and oil in my hair. I think that may be affecting the color. It's giving me more fuchsia vibes than red, but you guys see what I mean? Like, I like it so far. It's a vibe. Oh. So, now that I've pretty much done the edges, I'm gonna get a little bit more aggressive with the rest of my hair. I'm just gonna finish pretty much. Hey y'all, it's Editing Felipé. Right now, I'm stippling on the product again and combing it through with the same eyebrow brush. I could have been a lot less heavy-handed with this and taking my time, but I was being a little impatient. I'm just gonna kind of rush through this process just to speed things up a little bit, and I'll be right back. Hey, it's me again. So I was just taking the hair wax in big chunks and just coating it over the hair evenly. Well, that's debatable. And the other thing is, before I started this video, I did start doing my makeup. So when you see splotches of unblended concealer on my face, that is what's going on. If you want to see that process, you can watch my last video. Don't come for me unless I send for you. Carry on. Hey. I'm still here. So I used way too much product. I tried to like pick some of it out, so that's why my hair doesn't look as curly. I'm about to do my makeup, so I'll be right back. Just so you guys do know, I did use this hair paint wax by a splash of color. I'm gonna link it in the description down below. So there's a couple things I would do differently. I didn't follow the directions. It says use a moderate amount. I would use a lot less product. I put leave-in, oil, and then I put gel on top and apply to damp hair. My hair was dry, but I did put a little bit of water in it, like I said in the video. Starting from the bottom up, and I started from the top. I didn't want to do my roots because I didn't want like my roots to be stained red like my fingers are a little bit. But it's really not that bad considering it's red. It seems to come right off. It's nothing that's like too tough and difficult as far as that goes. I think that's where I messed up because I see all the chunks. Best used on curly texture hair. Color may vary from person to person depending on texture and current hair color. And I wouldn't really do my roots again, at least not the way that I did them this time around. I do feel like, considering I didn't follow the directions, I used a ton of product. I used half of this and I have this much hair, so I mean, I feel like if you use it a lot more sparingly, or if you only use it in one section, or if you only want to do like one little patch, just depending on how you want to do it. But I think this is a great alternative definitely to bleaching your hair. Obviously, I went a little bit more extreme. I love the fact that I thought this was gonna be like so flaky and so like my hair would have no curl to it. And my curl stayed like, considering I didn't have to bleach my hair. This isn't live in, this is very aesthetic. It's not, you can't live and shower and no, that's just not realistic. Would I wear this for weeks on end? Absolutely, positively not.
Absolutely, positively no.
Would I wear this for like a carnival? Especially when you want to do like a video shoot, even for like a stage performance or a party. I think this would be a vibe. Like, yeah. For people who have natural hair, who don't want to damage their hair, this is a great alternative. You know what I mean? That kind of a thing. It's not necessarily per se what I was going for. Like, I was going for Lil Nas. I think I got Lil Nah. Like, but it's so cute. It's a vibe. Really examining this, I feel like this is, it's not bad. Like I said, if you want to color your hair and maintain the integrity of your hair, you know, without drying your hair out with bleach, damaging your curl pattern, all that good stuff, I think this is a great alternative. Just, again, follow the directions, do it on damp hair, use a lot less product than I did. And yeah, I was even able to comb, like pick through my hair, like you can still see, like, yeah, I don't want to pull it all the way through because I feel like all of that is just gonna like fall. But be sure to like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. It's good to be back. I love y'all so much for watching and I'll see y'all in the next one.